कितना?
अभी 1:30 तो होने वाला है। 1:30 होने वाला है। तब तो ठीक। So right now I am in Deomali with my brother, and I came yesterday from Arju. I've reached here by around 12:30, and we'll be moving out to Margarita. The idea is that the gari that we are in right now is Tata Sumo.
Yeah.
So we will go into one of the dealers and we will kind of take loan. We'll exchange this vehicle with the Tata Mobile carrier wala. So we'll be going out there. So I'll show you how things goes out. So we just arrived at Margarita. तो आपका दिरोक रोड पार करने के बाद you get a left turn and then you get a bridge. After turning left you get a bridge. थोड़ा सा आगे just after you cross the bridge you get a hotel line here, Line Hotel. Hi guys, here is a takeaway from my journey from Deomali to Margarita. To separate Assam and the Arunachal border, there is a gate called Dirok Gate. So the road condition between Assam and Arunachal, let's say. So the side of Arunachal road, which is between Deomali till Dirok Gate, is smooth and it's a well furnished and it's a well conditioned road. But right after Dirok Gate till Margarita, it's worse. Condition is not up to the mark. Then again, if you come to the town side of the Margarita, the road condition is very smooth again. So right now, my brother and me are in the hotel. We are going to have a lunch here. It's almost 3 o'clock in the evening. So we have a lunch. Most probably we are going to have a beef. So that's the update. Then afterwards we'll move to a dealer and then we will do the things that we came for. We will kind of exchange the vehicle and we'll clear the documents and then we'll come back. I'll show you later. So we have come here. बातचीत करके this one will be the vehicle that we will be exchanging with that car. तो लोन में होगा probably. ये होगा. तो फाइनली डॉक्यूमेंट्स क्या हैंड ओवर किया जा चुका है. One, two, start हुआ. Dancing-ish. Finally saying bye bye to the sumo over there. इधर में है, चुपके है कहीं में. And this is the 4-wheeler car that brother is taking along. तो देखा जाए तो कैरियर तो ठीक है लेकिन एक 1 cabin vehicle छोटा दिखता है पर hope it will be strong enough to carry the loads of so many customers in the future. It's almost getting dark. A funny thing, a new vehicle got no horn, so pang pang for horn we have come to one of the garages here and we'll fix one horn and then we'll move on to Deomali. Most probably we'll stay in Deomali for tonight and then early morning we'll depart for Khonsa and then by following will go to Laju. So that's what happening right now. I'm in the middle of I think it's Margarita Tinsukia Road. So just waiting for the mechanic, going back in a few minutes. So after waiting for around more than half an hour, we have fixed the horn and then we're moving back to Deomali. So tel dhal ke we'll move back. Wow, गाड़ी आ रहा है रुको अभी जाइए. So अभी मार्गेरिटा का पेट्रोल पंप में अभी यहाँ पे fueling our vehicle. Abhi in a while we'll move to Deomali. I don't know how long will it take to reach Deomali because the road between Dirok Gate and this Margarita was very poor, and from Dirok on to Deomali it was very smooth again. So I don't know. So we are moving on. Anyway, cash aku liu. Anyway. यहाँ से निकलेगा Deomali. So road condition तो उपाय नहीं है. In the middle of jungle between Margita and Deomali. So it's almost 6:30 and we are still traveling. I never noticed before. You see the campus of RK Mission Narottam Nagar is so huge. I believe it's bigger than Arju campus. So it's almost, we have been traveling for almost 2.5 kilometers and still the boundary can be seen and yet incomplete. See, this is the boundary of RK Mission School, Narottam Nagar, Deomali. This is the magnificent RK Mission School, Narottam Nagar. So it has got two main entrances. This is the entrance from, wow. This is the entrance from Deomali. When you come from Deomali, you will get to see this. And the other entrance is at the opposite side of the school. That is when you come from Margarita side, you'll get the entrance there. Hello Deomali Valo. We have reached Seven Sound in Deomali. From here we'll move to concert tomorrow by morning. And oh yes, nice to be here. Nice to visit Deomali after a very long time. बहुत ही सही. अभी भैया जो यहाँ में आपका बैटरी का थोड़ा सा अरेंजमेंट है इश्यूज, तो उसको ठीक कर रहा है. तो उसके बाद हम लोग निकलेगा. बाय द वे दिस इज़ द न्यू आपका 4x4 एक कैरियर का साथ में लिया है. तो we'll leave tomorrow early morning. Good night everyone.